This world will be a different place that better, cleaner, safer, more lovely, and less contaminated than ever in the next 8 years in 2030. Yes, it literally and surely depends on how people on this planet set up, give actions, and power sustainable development goals. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Honorable the adjudicators, respectable all the audiences, thank you for having me. Dear Allah, thank you for sending me all precious moments and great people around me to feel the significant miracle of life. Dear Allah, thank you for sending me best friends who always build up my confidence day by day. And unforgettable, all my best love and gratitude go to the most inspiring one, our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Allahumma sholli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you know me, but allow me to introduce myself. My name is Febi Ilfani Mukhayyaro. I'm from English Education Department. Standing here, I would like to share, deliver, invite, and implore you all to save this earth together. Save this earth together, and save this earth together. Why do I have to say this? The 12 of SDGs shows responsible consumption and production. Do you know that every goal can be achieved by starting from a very small thing that we can do more and more day by day, and all small things we have been doing together to save this earth will be an accumulation that will come to an incredible target beyond our imagination. So wishing this earth to keep clean, lovely, less contaminated starts from you. Yes, you. You are one of the people who live in this planet. So you have a responsibility to take care of this planet. It's absolutely a necessity for everyone. We have to keep this world, we have to save this earth, we have to make sure that the place where we are living has a good and healthy environment. We need to work together to achieve this goal. We need to work together to come through to the target of a more sustainable world. Considering if only one person in this world who is responsible of saving this earth, it will not work at all. Trust me, it will not work at all. So what we should do is save this earth together. We need to work together. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you things that each of us can do to save this earth and become a person who will avoid the earth's detriment in the future. These things will help empower the target of responsible consumption and production. The first is walking, cycling, or taking a public transportation. If we do these kind of things, we will save this earth from getting more pollution. Imagine that if all people in this world just are wiser to be consumers of buying vehicle and just going anywhere by taking a public transportation, I'm sure that this earth will say thank you for what we are doing. I'm sure that this earth will feel really grateful for not being affected by many negative impacts of pollution. We should realize that we have to thank this earth for allowing us to live here by saving it, as this earth has been saving us all this time. So I implore you to consider it, everyone. We need to work together to save this earth. The second is shop wisely. The most important question that you have to ask to yourself every time you want to buy or purchase things is, do you really need them? Or is there any better alternative instead of buying the new one? Sometimes we purchase something for no reason and without thinking more about that, we just don't put full of awareness and consideration into what we really need and what we only want. If you are on this page, I implore you to redefine your perspective of using and investing your own money. Because there is always a balance between what you want and what you need, isn't there? And the third is plant the tree. I have an inspiring couple. The husband couldn't see the value of anything and just felt nothing inspired him until he started to plant and see the growing vegetables. And at that moment, he started to see and find a value of what he was doing. This couple really likes planting and farming, and they have the same dream to have the farm. So what I learned from them is I love their feelings. I love the way they see planting as something essential that they have to do in their life and always involve it in any type of their activity. It's really kind and gentle way to save this earth and get this earth more beautiful, lovely, cozy, and of course the most important is healthy. I hope this makes sense and you can relate into what I mean and what I feel about this story. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe in the power of togetherness. I believe in the power of accumulation. I believe that this earth always needs our forever love and help. I believe that we need to connect ourselves with this earth and love it completely and profoundly by saving it. Do you know why? Because the happy earth will get its occupant being the happiest one. So if you want to be happy, let's save this earth together. Because this earth belongs together. Let me end my speech by telling you that I'm not an instant product. Thank you so much everyone for allowing me to grow. I'm so grateful to be given this amazing chance. I hope what I have said feels hopeful. I'm sending you all my love and see you on another occasion. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi